Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Airtel SIM is active and you're in a 5G coverage area. Once done, open Settings, go to Mobile Network, then access point names. This is where you add or edit APNs. Tap the plus sign or New APN to begin a fresh profile. This prevents conflicts with existing entries. Make sure mobile data is toggled on while editing so you can test immediately. You're ready to input the Airtel 5G values in the next step. You will now populate the APN fields precisely because these values control your data connection. Enter the name as Airtel 5G and the APN field as Airtelpers. COM or the operator-specific string if provided. Make sure MCC and MNC match your SIM, typically 404 and 10 for India, because mismatches block registration. Set APN type to default, supl, leave username and password blank unless instructed otherwise. Once filled, save the profile, select it, and restart data to force the modem to attach with the new settings. You complete the setup by restarting your phone. This triggers network re-registration with the new APN. After boot, make sure network mode prefers 5G or LTE/5G and check the signal icon and network indicator. Run a quick speed test to confirm throughput. If no data, toggle the APN off and back on, or switch to the saved profile and reboot again. If problems persist, recheck every APN field for typos, and then contact Airtel support. Providing your IMEI and account details speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.